Today we are in the very, very glorious Ashley Road, a stone's throw from Musgrove Park Hospital. You have fantastic school catchments in Parkfield and Castle. It's a semi-detached family home. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Change your heart. Look around you. Change your heart. Look around you. Like the sunshine, like the sunshine. Change your heart. I need your loving. Look around you. Like the sunshine.
Okay, this one is going to be very, very popular. So if you would like to book a viewing, please do get in contact as soon as possible. Via email, telephone, however you like. If you'd like me to come and value your home as well, that would be wonderful. I hope to see you soon. Thank you very much.